Hello YouTube, and this is going to be everything you need to run your Jeep 4.0. Grab this harness from your Jeep. Fuel pump relay. Power latch relay. Fuel pump positive. Tach signal out. Ignition input. To ignition positive. Also to ignition positive. These are the fusible links from a Jeep. Attach them to the battery. O2 sensor heater wire. NOx sensor. Coolant temp sensor. Injector 1 and injector 2. TPS output to ECU. TPS output to the transmission. Idle air control valve. Injector 3 and 4. Crankshaft position sensor. Ground for the ECU. Injector 5 and 6. Intake temp sensor. Map sensor. We're going to head down to the ECU connectors. How to remove the wires you do not need. This is me taking the plastic clips off so I can pull the wires out of the harness. This is the 32 pin connector, C side, and this is the 32 pin connector, D side. This is going to be removing the O2 sensor relay 12 volt signal to the 24 pin connector. This is the B side to the 24 pin connector. Once wrapped up, you'll take it outside and put it in the Jeep. Basically how it goes stock. That's where the ECU goes. And the TCU sits right there on the passenger side. This will be the wiring diagram to get it started easily. Once you do that, you should basically be able to